everyone, welcome back to TheRealYou. So this is a Paw Conceptual makeup tutorial and I'm starting by cleansing her skin with micellar water and then applying a moisturizer. Next, I'm using an eyeshadow base and blending it properly on both the eyelids. I'm using a brown eyeshadow on the entire eyelid and blending it till the crease. Next, I'm taking some golden eyeshadow on a brush and applying it near her tear ducts to make the eyes pop a bit. Clean all the fallouts and apply a winged eyeliner using a black liquid liner. Next, I am applying a brown kajal to her waterline and setting it using a brown eyeshadow. I am applying foundation and concealer and blending it all in. You blend your foundation and concealer really well and make sure that it doesn't look patchy. Next, I'm contouring her face using a shade 2 shades darker than her skin tone. Using a compact powder, I'm setting all the cream products in and also applying a powder highlighter to the bridge of her nose, her cheekbones and the cupid's bow. Next, I'm filling her eyebrows using a brown eyeshadow and an angled brush. I'm also applying a very thick coat of mascara to make her eyelashes look longer and fuller. Now starting the main part, the lips. I'm starting by using a wet wipe to clean her lips. I used a black liner to outline the lips and then filled it with a black liquid liner. I'm using a black liquid liner to fill only the 3/4 of her lip. Don't worry if it looks messy. You can always use a wet wipe for giving it the final finish. Then I'm using a black liquid liner to make the paw. Just make a small oval and 3 rounds around the oval. Make sure you have a transition going on. Thanks for watching.